Another Sandy is called Sandy Grump.
Who's out there? Children. Children. Who needs them? I don't. Humbug.
And another Sandy is called Sandy Rat. Some people call him Saint Nick.
Ho, ho, ho. Hello, little boys. Hello, little girls. How do you do? Nice to see you. Ho, 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 ho. Humby daddy dumby dumby dum bum boom. Deem ba da ba doo ba doo doo boo doo. Hody hody ho. Hidey hidey hi. Hody heedy hoody hoody hum. Well, here we are up at the North Pole.
Yeah.
There's me, Grumpy.
Get out of here. Oh, I'm gonna jump up in the air very quickly and woo, come right back down. Look,
What about the other folks?
one horse open sleigh.
What about the other folks?
The hill we go, dancing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one. Come on, join in,
Hey.
you grumpy old people. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh.
Jingle bells, buttons, drumming,
Can I get some appreciation? Ho, ho, ho. Little Fabby, thank you. Oh, you children, get back. You kids, get away from me, get away. No touching.
Eric, sit down.
Eddie Ben.
I'm another Sandy, and my name is Sandy.
Sandy Polar Bear.
Sandy Pig, and I've got some
Sandy
little
Pig.
puppies. These are all my puppies. This little puppy, oh, I love him so much. But you know what? This year, I don't think I'm going to take any presents to the children. Maybe Sandy Rat, why don't you give some presents to my puppies?
Maybe that's what I'll do. Maybe I'll give all my presents this year to the puppies. Ho, ho,
Oh,
ho.
that would be so nice, because we don't want to go down there and give a lot of presents to children. do we?
Well, I got a lot of Pokemon toys. I got a little toy house. Well, actually, quite a few toy houses. I got dinosaurs, and I got, balls, and I got bats, and I got all kinds of, I got a few oranges and a few Happy Meals that I could give away. I got leftover Halloween candy, and I'll be right back.
Excuse me. What Pokemon do you have?
I'm another Sandy,
Eric,
and my name is Sandy.
Eric, sit down, Eric.
Come back.
Hello, everybody. I'm Sandy Cat.
Okay.
And I know a little dance too, and a song. You can sing with me if you want to, and I'm going to sing it right now.
Nobody
I
cares.
see big hands popping out of the sky.
You better not
But I'm telling you why Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping. He'll know when you're awake. He'll know if you're bad or good. So be good for goodness sake. Oh, you better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town.
Oh, that was a wonderful, wonderful
Oh,
song.
thank you, Sandy Rat. Could I call you Daddy?
You can call me Daddy, sure. It's kind of
Well,
weird,
I thought
but
that
you
was
call
a
me.
nice song too.
Ah, well.
But you know what? You don't look like a cat to me at all. I think you're not really a cat. Yes, I am. I'm Sandy Cat. And anyway, I don't think those are all puppies. That red one doesn't look like a dog to me.
That's a bear.
It is too. Well, it looks a little bit like a teddy bear to me. Are you a dog? Well, he barks like a dog, doesn't he?
Ho, ho, ho.
It doesn't look like a dog.
Hello, little Eric boy. Go sit down in your seat. It's time for you to go sit down in your seat.
Eric.
Andre, you're too big to be standing up. You should be showing up. Eric, how to sit down.
Sit down, Eric.
Okay.
I can't see.
That little boy's got about the biggest head I ever saw planted on the shoulders of a little boy.
Why
Shaped like a
you?
gigantic watermelon.
Say, listen, Sandy Rat, can you do that other
You
dance?
missed the
Can
show.
you do your other dance?
I'd be glad to do my other dance.
That's it. Rat.
The right thing? Here we go.
He doesn't have a big head. You're the one who has a big beard anyway.
Okay, no talking.
I got music. I got sunshine. Who could ask for nothing and more? I could ask for something more, but